It's a certified 2017 Chevrolet Cruze. From the morning commute to weekend adventures, this Cruze is the do-it-all compact that is there to serve. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated bucket seats, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Auto Week explains, the Cruze symbolizes the progress that GM is making to sort out its engineering fundamentals, product quality, and global manufacturing plan. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.